Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create a link to a specific slide in Google Slides. Basically, we want to create some sort of interaction that when you click on some element in this slide, it will jump us to another slide. And I wanted to jump to the slide number 7, which also has the picture of banana. So from the slide number 2 to number 7, how do you create that? Well, we need to create a link for either this picture or the text. It could be a text, picture, or even shape. It is totally up to you. But in this video, I'm going to just make a hyperlink for this particular image, which is this picture of banana. So I'm going to click on it, and you'll see there's a new row setting available. Click insert link, or you can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and K. And after that, you will see this option. Click slides in this presentation. Remember, we want to put the slide number 7 as the hyperlink. So let's select the slide number 7. And there you go. Now to test it out, you have to run the slideshow. So let me click slideshow. And you will see the areas going to be clickable. You will see the cursor might be changed. Click on it. And now we are going to this slide number 7. And that's how you can create a text or that contains a hyperlink or a picture that contains a hyperlink to another slide in the same document in Google Slides. Well, I hope you find this video helpful.